I mean, I just stick it right there, center it up, and then you want to stick your... Alright, so this applies to all the Nissan people out there that's having radio trouble. So you hit the radio, the volume knob, and it goes up, down, up, down. Like I'm trying to turn it up right now, and if I do it really slow, there we go, I'm getting it up, then it goes down. But if you try to just crank it up, obviously I'm turning it to the right, it just goes nuts. So how you fix this in a quick video, really quick, I found there's a TSB, you turn it to the right like 60 times, turn it to the left 60 times, or 1 minute or whatever, really fast. That works sometimes, but on cases that's really severe like this one, best thing is get a drill. If you don't have butyl works perfect. If you stick really sticky butyl to the end of a drill, this with any type of chuck, whatever it is, just like chewing gum would probably work. Stick it to the knob right there, center as you can, stick it to the drill, turn it for like 60 seconds one way, and turn it for the other way like 60 seconds, and you'll find that it works perfectly after you do that. All right, really the only thing you need is a drill. This is just a Phillips. It doesn't really matter. You can use any type of bit, and then some butyl. You can hear how sticky this stuff is. This is also called strip caulk. This is 3M. Butyl you can get pretty much anywhere. So you want to stick this to the switch, and the radio's off. The car's off. So I mean, I just stick it right there, center it up, and then you want to stick your drill like that, and I just spin it one direction. You want to do this for like 30 to 60 seconds. You don't want to spin it as fast as you can. I'm throttling the trigger. And then the other way. Oh, that happens too, so spin it the other way. And then you want to take this off. Well, the button's not supposed to come off. I'm going to try to get all the residue off. Kind of like Play-Doh, just stickier. And then you turn the car on and it should work perfectly. Let's see if it works. Radio's coming up. Volume up. Volume down. Volume up. Volume down. So I probably need to do that one more time, but as you can see, it is almost perfect. So up, down, up, down. Yep, it's almost perfect. I'm gonna do that one more time, and it should take care of the problem every single time. I've not seen this not work yet. Thanks for watching.